Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Instagram password and fix the forgot password problem step by step. If you are not able to log in your Instagram account or simply want to update your password for security, this quick guide will help you reset it easily. So first of all, you need to start by opening your Instagram application on your phone, or you can also follow the same steps via Instagram website. So when you are here on this particular page, you just have to look for the option of forgotten password, or it might be get help login in your app. So when you do this, you will be landed here on this particular page where it is going to ask you that you can provide your email address associated with your Instagram account. You can provide your username, or you can also find your account via mobile number. So here you can select any of these options. For example, let's say I'm going to type the username of my profile. After adding the username, you just have to simply press continue. It is going to basically show you your account and show you bunch of different options to basically log in your account. You can log in or reset your password via the email address which is linked with your account, or you can also get the code via WhatsApp. You can also enter the password using your login credentials if you remember it. So after selecting any of these options, simply press continue in the bottom. If you have selected the email option, you are going to get the verification code on your email address. So you can just simply provide that and create a new password for your account. Make sure that you choose a strong password that includes letters, numbers, and symbols in order to keep your account secure. After saving the new password, simply return to the login screen and sign in using the updated credentials. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.